The sun warms the tall grass prairie. A gentle breeze whispers through the stems. This is the home of the plains pocket gopher. These small furry creatures live mostly underground. They are rarely seen, but their presence is always felt. Plains pocket gophers prefer open grasslands. They need loose soil for digging. The prairie provides the perfect home. These quiet creatures are vital to this ecosystem. They play an important role in the life of the prairie. The plains pocket gopher is a master builder, perfectly adapted to life beneath the surface. With its compact, muscular body and ever-growing teeth, this small mammal spends most of its life underground, rarely seen by humans. Its world is one of darkness, silence, and endless digging, a hidden realm just below our feet. Using its powerful forelimbs and sharp claws, the gopher digs long, winding tunnels beneath the vast prairie. These tunnels are not random. They are carefully planned and constructed, forming a complex network that can take months to complete. Some of these underground passageways can stretch over 60 feet, weaving through the earth like a living labyrinth. From above, the only sign of the gopher's presence is a series of fresh mounds dotting the prairie landscape. The gopher's strong, curved claws are its primary tools, allowing it to break through tough soil and roots. It works tirelessly, shoveling dirt behind it as it carves out new tunnels. Once the soil is loosened, the gopher uses its head and body to push the earth backward, eventually forcing it out of the tunnel entrance. This creates the characteristic mounds of fresh soil that mark an active gopher burrow. But these tunnels are much more than simple passageways. They are the gopher's entire world, a safe haven from predators, a place to raise young, and a pantry for storing food. Each tunnel system is unique, shaped by the landscape and the needs of its builder. Deep within the burrow, the gopher constructs special chambers. Some are used for sleeping, others for raising young, and still others for storing roots and tubers collected from the prairie above. These rooms are carefully maintained, kept clean and dry. The gopher is meticulous, constantly repairing and expanding its home to suit its needs. Here it can rest, eat, and stay safe from the dangers that lurk above ground. To create a cozy den, the gopher lines its nest chamber with soft grasses and plant fibers. This not only provides warmth and comfort, but also helps insulate the burrow from the changing temperatures outside. In these hidden tunnels, the plains pocket gopher thrives, living a secret life beneath the prairie. The plains pocket gopher is a herbivore. It dines on roots, tubers, and stems. Many of these are found right outside its doorstep, within its tunnel system. The gopher uses its large teeth to gnaw on the tough plant parts. Sometimes the gopher will venture above ground for food. It gathers grasses and forbs, bringing them back to its burrow. This cautious creature is always alert for danger, even during mealtime. The plains pocket gopher might be small, but it is a powerful force on the prairie. Despite its modest size and unassuming appearance, this little mammal plays a surprisingly big role in shaping the landscape around it. While most people rarely catch a glimpse of a gopher above ground, their presence is felt everywhere beneath the surface. These industrious creatures spend most of their lives tunneling through the earth, creating a vast network of underground passageways that stretch for meters in every direction. As the gopher digs, it turns over the soil, breaking up hard clumps and mixing nutrients throughout the ground. This digging helps to aerate the soil, which, allows air and water to reach plant roots. The constant churning of earth by gophers is like a natural tilling process, making the soil healthier and more fertile for all kinds of prairie plants. Without gophers, the ground would be much harder and less welcoming to new growth. The tunnels also create channels for rainwater to seep into the ground, preventing runoff. Instead of water rushing away and eroding the land, it is gently absorbed, nourishing the roots below. This helps to maintain the delicate balance of moisture that prairie plants need to survive, especially during dry spells. Gopher tunnels act like a hidden irrigation system, quietly supporting the entire ecosystem above. But the gopher's impact doesn't stop with the soil. The gopher's abandoned burrows become homes for other animals, snakes, insects, and a variety of prairie creatures. These ready-made shelters offer protection from predators and harsh weather, giving many species a safe place to live and raise their young. In fact, some animals rely almost entirely on old gopher tunnels for their survival. Even other small mammals like mice and voles use these underground shelters. The network of tunnels becomes a bustling underground community, with different species coming and going, each playing their own part in the prairie ecosystem. Predators too benefit from the abundance of prey that gathers around these burrows, making the gopher's handiwork essential for the food web. The gopher's constant digging also brings buried seeds to the surface, helping new plants to grow. As they tunnel, gophers inadvertently transport seeds from deep underground to the topsoil, where sunlight and rain can reach them. This process encourages the growth of a diverse array of plants, from grasses to wildflowers, enriching the prairie with color and life. In this way, the humble gopher acts as both gardener and engineer, quietly shaping the world above through its tireless work below. The world above the gopher's tunnels is full of life. The sun paints the prairie gold, butterflies flutter above the wildflowers, and the air is filled with the chirping of crickets and the calls of meadowlarks. The gopher is aware of this world, even from below. It can feel the vibrations of footsteps, and it can hear the distant rumble of thunder. Though hidden, the gopher is connected to the rhythms of the prairie. As the sun dips below the horizon, the prairie transforms into a world of gentle shadows. The air cools, and the wind whispers a lullaby, carrying the scent of wild grasses. The gopher retreats deeper into its burrow for the night, seeking warmth and safety. Safe in its underground nest, the gopher rests, curled up and peaceful. It is surrounded by darkness and silence, hidden from the world above. Only the soft rustle of the prairie above disturbs the peace, a gentle reminder of life. The gopher is content in its hidden world, embraced by the quiet prairie night. The plains pocket gopher is a reminder that even the smallest creatures play a vital role in the balance of nature. These elusive mammals, often hidden beneath the surface, are rarely glimpsed by human eyes, yet their presence is felt throughout the prairie. Their daily activities, though subtle and mostly invisible, are essential to the health and vitality of the grassland ecosystem. Though rarely seen, their impact is profound. Each mound of freshly turned earth is a testament to their tireless work, aerating the soil and allowing water and nutrients to reach deep roots. Their burrowing creates a network of tunnels that not only provide shelter for themselves, but also for countless other small animals and insects. These hidden passageways become highways for life beneath the prairie. They are the unseen heroes of the prairie, shaping the landscape and supporting the web of life. By mixing and turning the soil, pocket gophers help seeds to germinate and plants to thrive. Their actions encourage plant diversity, which in turn supports a wide variety of birds, mammals, and insects. Without them, the prairie would be a very different place, less vibrant, less alive. Next time you walk across the prairie, listen closely. Beneath your feet, a hidden world is bustling with activity. The gentle rustle of grass, the soft shifting of soil, these are the signs of life below, where pocket gophers and other creatures work unseen day and night to keep the prairie healthy and strong. You might just hear the faint sounds of their labor, the quiet scraping, the delicate vibrations, and the almost imperceptible movement of earth are all part of their ongoing efforts. These sounds are a gentle reminder that the prairie is alive, not just above ground, but deep below as well. Remember the unseen world beneath your feet, and the creatures that call it home. The plains pocket gopher, though seldom noticed, is a true hero of the grasslands. An architect of the earth, a guardian of the prairie, and a vital part of the natural world that sustains us all.